Hey, it's David. Checking out a wonderful East Austin Cottage Home, 1604B, East 13th Street. Wonderful space, beautifully rebuilt. Let's take a look. Unlike a lot of the B units we see in town, this one has dedicated access through the alley, so it lives completely independent of the back unit or the front unit. So here they've taken great care in rebuilding and remodeling this home. It's got a beautiful kitchen space, wonderful for entertaining. It's got a lot of storage, great attention to detail. One thing I really like here is the beautiful windows treatment they have around there. That's some nice work you don't see a lot in some of these, in some remodeled homes or even some new homes. Beautiful beadboard on the ceilings. Really takes you back to the original cottage feel. And again, here with some repurposed wood on the ceiling. Contrasts very nicely with the hardwood floors and the beautiful detail. Wonderful sitting room. This particular home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And currently, the second bedroom here is being repurposed as an office space, which is a really good use of space for somebody that doesn't need a full 2 bedrooms. Turn it into your home office, and then you can also have a fold out in here or something for guests when they come. Great tile work in the bathroom, wonderful top of the line shower head and such. And one of the details I really like is the sink basin. I think that's pretty neat. Heading outside, we've got really nice sitting space and good green space for pets or kids. A dedicated parking area here, which is really nice. A lot of times we don't see a dedicated area quite like that. Nice sitting area with a fire pit and great for entertaining. Coming back through the living area and the dining area, as you can see, it's just really open, great spot for entertaining friends and family, having meals with each other and enjoying just some downtime. The master bedroom's really nice, got a lot of natural light. Very good detail throughout. Beautiful work on the windows and the flooring. And then I think this bathroom's really pretty special. It's got the clawfoot tub, great tile work, large sink, which is really key when you're living with somebody else to have enough space. So all in all, this home's just great. 1604B, East 13th Street here in Austin. Love to show it to you. If you'd like to set up a show and let me know. Otherwise, check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at David Bain Realtor. Love to help you out. Take care of any questions you have in terms of the real estate, and just say hello. So shoot me a message, let me know what you think, and have a great day.